Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the third lecture on cell biology. In this lecture, we will cover the introduction, history, origin, location, morphology, and functions of mitochondria, and some research questions in the end. Mitochondria are double-membraned organelles found in eukaryotic cells, recognized as the powerhouse due to their key role in ATP production. They likely originated from a symbiotic relationship with ancient prokaryotic organisms, as proposed by the endosymbiotic theory. Their functions include ATP synthesis, metabolism regulation, calcium homeostasis, apoptosis, and more. Dysfunctions in mitochondria are linked to various diseases, highlighting their critical role in cellular and organismal health. Mitochondria, though observed for centuries, only revealed their true significance in the late 19th century. During the 1850s, Richard Altman was the pioneer to describe these structures, initially termed bioblasts. However, it was in the 20th century that researchers comprehended the crucial role mitochondria play in cellular respiration, marking a turning point in our understanding of these vital cellular components. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell due to their central role in producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell, and ATP synthesis occurs through oxidative phosphorylation, a process that takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Mitochondria's origin is thought to trace back to a fascinating symbiotic partnership. According to the endosymbiotic theory, mitochondria are believed to have emerged from a symbiotic relationship between early eukaryotic cells and ancient prokaryotic organisms, particularly proteobacteria. This theory proposes that an ancestral eukaryotic cell engulfed proteobacteria, forming a mutually beneficial relationship that eventually evolved into the mitochondria we observe in eukaryotic cells today. Such a partnership fundamentally shaped the cellular and energetic foundations of eukaryotic life. Mitochondria likely evolved through a process of endosymbiosis, where a host cell engulfed a free-living bacterium, establishing a mutualistic relationship. In plant cells, mitochondria are scattered throughout the cytoplasm, but are often found in higher concentrations near the cell periphery and around the nucleus. While in animal cells, mitochondria are dispersed throughout the cytoplasm and are particularly abundant near cellular structures with high energy requirements. The structure of mitochondria consists of cristae, matrix, DNA ribosomes, and double membrane structure. Mitochondria possess a double membrane, the outer mitochondrial membrane and the inner mitochondrial membrane, which encloses the intermembrane space, and the inner membrane forms folds called cristae, increasing the surface area for various metabolic processes. The central area within the inner membrane is the matrix containing enzymes necessary for ATP production, and mitochondria contain their own DNA and ribosomes, which contribute to their semi-autonomous nature. There are several functions of mitochondria, includes ATP production and metabolism regulation. Mitochondria play a pivotal role in ATP synthesis through oxidative phosphorylation, utilizing energy derived from metabolic reactions, and metabolism regulation regulate metabolism by participating in various metabolic pathways, including the citric acid cycle and beta-oxidation of fatty acids. Calcium homeostasis is another function which helps maintain calcium ion concentrations within the cell, crucial for signaling and cell survival. Apoptosis are involved in programmed cell death, a process critical for development, tissue homeostasis, and elimination of damaged cells. Mitochondria are fundamental cellular components crucial for energy production and the regulation of various metabolic processes. Understanding their structure, functions, and evolutionary origins is vital for appreciating their significance in cellular biology and potential therapeutic implications. Here are some research questions related to the topic. Number 1. What is the central function of mitochondria within eukaryotic cells? And how does their structure support this function? Number 2. How did the endosymbiotic theory explain the origin of mitochondria? And what evidence supports this evolutionary relationship? Number 3. In what ways can mitochondrial dysfunction impact cellular processes and contribute to the development of various diseases in humans? That's all from this lecture. See you in the next video for lecture number 4. And let's not forget to subscribe to this channel.